Hello, it's April. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to share with you a way to get 100% free search engine traffic to your affiliate offers. Now, this does not involve going out, starting a blog, writing a blog post, and then promoting the blog post and getting backlinks, and all of that does not involve creating YouTube videos. It is actually very simple, and it is one of the best kept secrets in the affiliate marketing world. And I don't hear any of the top so-called gurus promoting this method. So I'm going to share it with you right now. And it is through a platform that I have been using for many years called LeadsLeap. LeadsLeap is an all-in-one marketing platform that I use for most of my marketing. Not only can you create funnels, build your list, track your links, create rotators, all for a very, very low rate monthly fee. It's just $27 a month. But you can become a free member, and that's what I'm going to expand on today is you as a free member. If you wanted to join totally free, you don't have to pay for any upgrade, you can come down here and see underneath free traffic. There's 4 ways you can get traffic and leads in LeadsLeap, and you can do them all for free. But the one I want to share with you today is actually this part, section 3, get search engine traffic. So the cool thing about LeadsLeap, and this site is so amazing because you get traffic and you can do all your marketing here, which I don't know of any other platform that you can use to actually get traffic and advertise. I mean, get advertising to your offers while promoting your funnels and creating funnels and getting all the tools all in one place. But that's besides the point. This section is about getting totally free search engine traffic. And LeadsLeap actually owns a search engine optimized social review directory that ranks very high in search engines. So LeadsLeap is an aged authority site. They've been around for many, many years. So I'll show you their directory right here. As you can see, there's a large variety of different categories here, including marketing tools, affiliate programs, mailers, internet marketing, marketing systems, MLMs. The list goes on and on and on. Okay? And these get a lot of traffic. I'm going to show you proof inside my LeadsLeap account. So let's go look inside my LeadsLeap account right here. Now, once you're inside of LeadsLeap, all you have to do as a free member is just click on my reviews, okay? Now, the social review section is a section that is a platform for you to share your experiences in a particular affiliate program that you have tried. In return, LeadsLeap will rotate. This is the important part. This is the exciting part, you guys. LeadsLeap will actually rotate your affiliate link and send you highly qualified traffic, people who have wanted to find out more about the program, okay? So they are going to go on Google and type up, for example, they want to know a review about a certain program. LeadsLeap ranks very high in Google, so they will be able to see your review and other people in LeadsLeap, their reviews, and your affiliate link will be rotated on that page. Let me show you an example. A while back, I wrote a review about Cash Juice. This is like an affiliate or a social media platform for affiliate marketers and network marketers, and I reviewed it. I have gotten 203 clicks. Let me zoom in. That's a little bit too much, I think. Okay. I have gotten 203 clicks since I wrote that review. Okay? And I'm going to show you right here what it looks like. This is the page that my review is featured on, as you can see right here. You can see other people's reviews as well, what they like and what they don't like about this program. Now, whenever, let's say somebody on Google who's wanting to know about Cash Juice, let's say they want to sign up. Well, the cool thing is, all they have to do is click on this button to sign up for Cash Juice. However, our referral links are actually rotated in, excuse me, in this button. So there's a chance that you're going to get the sale if they decide to, sign up for Cash Juice and purchase the upgrade. But you will get referrals because your affiliate link will be rotated on this page. Okay? Right here as well. As they're scrolling through, they're going to read these reviews and they're going to have the opportunity to sign up. All right? So that's just here's some more examples. Other reviews I've written about other programs, I've been getting traffic. Real visitors of people. 202, 241. Some of these have lower than others. Okay? Now, for you to make this work, all you have to do is simply click Add a New Review. Now, let's say, for example, you want to make a review. You want to promote an affiliate program. Say, for example, 12-minute affiliate. All you have to do is simply type in the domain, 12minuteaffiliate.com. Okay? And now you put in your affiliate link for 12-minute affiliate. Okay? Let me just try with the HTTP. Hang on one second. Here it is. See? 12-minute affiliate. It's already here. So what you do is you put your affiliate link, and that way they can rotate your link and so you can get signups. All right? You rate the program according to your honest feelings about it, and then you put your honest experience with the program in this section here. You put your experience, what you like, what you don't like, and the final verdict, your overall opinion. Okay? And then you submit it for approval. And it honestly, in my experience, usually gets approved as long as you fill these sections out. And then you submit it. That's all you have to do. And then your affiliate link will be rotated along with all the other people who have also reviewed that particular program. All right? So there are countless programs already in the system, okay? Now, for example, if you have a program that's not already in the system, all you have to do is type in the domain, and then you'll be the only one that has a review on that program. So it's really cool because you'll be the only person, the only affiliate link will be yours, and therefore you'll be getting all of the referrals when it's rotated. There'll be nobody rotated but you. So don't be afraid to go ahead and just add whatever affiliate program you're in if it's not already in the database. Now let me just share with you a little bit about how the rotation works, okay, according to membership levels. As a free member, let me go down here and show you guys. All right, you can submit social reviews, okay? However, your affiliate link rotation will be rotated based on this ratio, 1:5. Now, if you were a pro member, which I am a pro member, and you get all the other, features of being a pro member, all the other advertising and the funnel builder, unlimited subscribers and everything else, which I'm not going to go into. If you become a pro member, which is $27 a month, one of the features is that you get your affiliate link rotated more often in this social review section. It's actually rotated on a ratio of 4:5. So you're getting much more higher rotation and exposure than free members. However, if you can't afford the upgrade, no worries, because you can still get your affiliate link rotated in the social review platform as a free member, just not as often. Okay? So let me just show you an example of what this is like on Google. Okay? So I'm going to go to Google, and I am going to type up Herculist.com review. Okay? Look what you see here. If somebody wanted to know more about this program, look what the second on this list is, the second search result, LeadsLeap. Okay? And here is what I'm talking about. This is all the people who have reviewed their honest opinion about LeadsLeap, about Herculist. Okay? And then if I wanted to sign up, one of these people who have left a review, one of them will be rotated and I will sign up under one of them because it's rotated. Their links are rotated. Their affiliate links, these different people, their links are rotated right here in these buttons. And then I can sign up under one of them. And if you were a pro member, your affiliate link would be rotated more frequently than a free member. All right? So, as you can see, there's a lot of people who have reviewed Herculist, okay? And you can also see their top recommendations. That's another benefit of being a pro member. So if I wanted to see Stephanie's recommended options for making money, all I have to do is click on this and I can see more of her recommendations, okay? So she recommends wealthy affiliate. All right, I can read what she recommends and what her personal opinion is. All right, so that's also a pro member feature. However, like I said, there's no shame in being a free member. I was a free member of LeadsLeap for many years, and it wasn't until I was able to financially get to the point where I could afford it and afford marketing tools. That's when I started really seeing, my income increase, and that's when I took my marketing to the next level and became a pro member. So I just wanted to share this tip with you guys on how to get totally free search engine traffic by using LeadsLeap under the social review section. And I hope you guys found this really useful. And before I go, I want to just show you, this is where you actually put your top recommendations, okay? And that's what I just showed you before on Stephanie's recommendations. This is where you can select from all the ones that all the reviews you've written, and you can put your top recommendations. And then here is where you read reviews. This is the database I showed you, so you can, read reviews on traffic exchanges and see which ones are the highest rated in this section, or whichever category that you want to read about and read reviews on. So I hope you guys found value in this video, and if you did, please go ahead and like or subscribe if you want to, and of course make sure to get your LeadsLeap account even if you're just a free member. I really believe in it, and I recommend it to all of my affiliate marketing friends, and it's a great way to use an all-in-one program for all of your marketing, all in one space for a very low monthly fee compared to all of the big time hyped up marketing funnel builders out there. So thanks so much. Have a wonderful day.